So you've already subscribed, you've already liked, make sure you press that bell.
So I'm on this new journey, so to speak, right? So there's weeds, air quotes. You can see the air quotes, right? I can't do them because I don't have both of my hands. But there's weeds all over the place, and I'm on this new kick to figure out, are they really weeds? And if they're weeds, are they in fact beneficial? And by beneficial, I'm kind of saying like, yeah, we call them weeds, but are they bad? Is that a bad name? Like we call dandelions weeds, right? But the leaves are actually beneficial and they're nutritious. So maybe we're just calling it the wrong name. So the plant that we saw at the beginning of the video is a plume thistle. It's growing in the hood, but it looked kind of pretty in a weed-like way. So I took a picture of it. Then I identified it with my phone. I already showed you guys how to do that. And this is what I found out. The actual name is Cirsium vulgare, or it could be Cirsium vulgare. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, but I said it kind of close to what I think it should be. So the seeds are good for regenerating your liver and detoxifying it. You can make a tea out of the leaves or the roots to calm indigestion and diarrhea. Now this can serve as a nutrient-dense wild food. All right, you can eat them raw. I'm gonna have you guys look up how to prepare it because I don't want to give you the wrong information. Again, I'm learning just like you are. But maybe it's time we start rethinking how things are classified. Or maybe we re-look at the way we see things. Maybe weed is not necessarily a bad word. Everything on this planet that was created has a purpose, to serve us or to not serve us. So sometimes you have to do your due diligence. You know, I'm good at that. Study before you pull things out of the ground because it may have a beneficial property for you. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and tell a friend.